In this video, we're going to be talking about Unbounce versus ClickFunnels, and we're going to be talking about the key differences between both products. And ultimately, by the end of this video, you're going to know which one's best for your online business. And just a quick aside, I have used both of these products personally in the past for client work. I don't use Unbounce anymore. I do use ClickFunnels. I do prefer ClickFunnels. It's a quick disclaimer here, but I just wanted to let you know that this video is actually being done by someone who's in the online marketing industry. All right, without further ado, let's get started with Unbounce. All right, so Unbounce is a decent tool. It's mainly for lead generation forms like landing pages, pop-ups, and or sticky bars. So for example, we're looking at the landing page templates. Its main purpose is to be the best landing page software out there, but that's pretty much it. Okay, so they do have templates that do convert, so that's one thing they have going for them. They also have templates for pop-ups. So let's take a look at these real quick. So if you're in the need for a pop-up for your website, this will do the trick for you as well. And then the next step will most likely be a success page, like a thank you page for either the landing page or the pop-up, right? Because you're giving something away for free, whether that's a discount code or a free quote or some type of consultation, maybe even a PDF guide. If you're doing that type of lead generation and that's all you're doing, then Unbounce is a good tool for you. And we'll get to the price of Unbounce in just a few minutes, but first let's discuss ClickFunnels, the main competitor here in this video to Unbounce. So ClickFunnels is basically on top of the world when it comes to sales funnel software. It can build simple lead generation funnels just like Unbounce can. I would argue even better than Unbounce can, and it integrates with a lot of tools, and it's a better overall tool, as you'll see. All right, so at a glance here, you can see that with ClickFunnels, you can generate leads, like I said, you can sell products, you can even run a webinar, you can send emails, whether it's with Actionetics or your own email autoresponder. That could be ActiveCampaign, Aweber, GetResponse, whatever floats your boat there. And here's a bit more of what ClickFunnels can do. It has its very own email marketing software called Actionetics, which is actually quite good. After using Actionetics for almost a year now, the deliverability and its simplicity is quite good when you're doing online marketing. And it also has its very own affiliate program, so affiliate software, I should say. So if you have a product, an online product that you're selling, an info product, you can create an affiliate program that people can sign up for. They have their unique link and they get a commission for selling your product. And you could also make membership site funnels pretty easily with ClickFunnels. Alright guys, I wanted to quickly log into my ClickFunnels account to show you what type of funnels you can build. And what you're looking at here is basically how simple ClickFunnels makes it to create a funnel. So let's test a couple of these out. So because you were thinking about Unbounce versus ClickFunnels, let me check out the squeeze page funnel, because this is essentially what you would be building in Unbounce. This is the squeeze page funnel. This is the lead. Then you get 2 pages in this funnel, and the build time is around 20 minutes. And there's, like I said, only 2 pages here. And Russell Brunson, let me see here, also basically guides you explaining how this funnel is built in his little video using Lego blocks there. Right, so all you're doing is collecting lead information here. And you can download any of these funnels here, and they're all free. There are paid versions, but I would just suggest sticking with the free ones for now. And let's click on one of these, for example. So you can see it really breaks it down. If you decide to use this, you can click this Get Funnel and it'll import it into your account already built, and then you'll use the ClickFunnels page builder to edit all the copy, the images, etc. So you get your first page, the squeeze page, and then your thank you page, and then that's it. If you want to, you can also change the templates of each one of these steps. All right, let's do one more. Let's do the membership funnel. And maybe we'll do one more. But as you can see, this one has 4 pages, about an hour of work here, just because membership funnels are a little bit more complex. So you have your video sales letter plus order form, you got your offer wall, and then membership access, then a membership page. So let's take a look at this one, for example. It will break it down as well. So we have the sales page here, which will then take them to this page here that says order complete. It'll give them basically what they purchased, and this is dynamically updated. Then they'll click on the Access Purchase button. That'll send them to a page to where they can log into their account. And by the way, you'll also be setting up a fulfillment email, which is really easy to do, and that'll give them their login credentials as well. And then this is the membership site area, which you can edit with videos, your downloads, different modules, different lessons, all of the works here, guys. And you can definitely edit the colors here to your brand. Okay, last but not least, I did want to give you an example of the sales letter funnel, which is just selling a product. So if you want to sell a product, it's pretty easy when it comes to using ClickFunnels. It has something here for you. If you don't like this template, then you could always switch it out in the previous screen as you saw. So you got your sales page here. You can have your order form on the same page if you'd like. If you don't like that style, then there is a different type of sales funnel template in the cookbook. So definitely select that. But then there's an upsell page, and then there's a downsell page. So ClickFunnels really makes it easy to upsell someone and downsell someone. And then there's an offer wall, basically giving them access to their purchase here. All right, guys, so it's coming down to the wire here. It's ClickFunnels versus Unbounce. Which one is best? In my opinion, it's ClickFunnels because it not only does lead pages, pop-up forms for funnels and or your website, but it also lets you create traditional sales funnels, two-step order form sales funnels, upsells, bump offers, downsells, membership site funnels, webinar funnels, and a lot more for about the same price. As you can see, the starter plan for ClickFunnels costs $97 per month. With this type of account, you're able to build any type of funnel as long as it's within the 20 funnel cap. And there's a few more restrictions here, as you can see with the ClickFunnels starter plan. You don't get access to Actionetics, which is the email autoresponder that comes with ClickFunnels if you were to get the Edison suite here at $297. But that's okay. If you don't need it, you can always use your own autoresponder and integrate it with ClickFunnels. It's not a problem. Really easy to do. Doesn't matter if you're using HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, or GetResponse. It'll work. It integrates with a lot of other products as well. Now let's take a look at the starter plan for Unbounce. And as you can see, this is $99 a month. And it's only giving you access to 75 landing pages, 8 pop-ups, and 8 sticky bars as well. Now this is $99 per month, and that's only if you want to do a lead generation funnel, which ClickFunnels lets you do that and a lot more. So even if you don't need to sell something right now, or you don't need to create a membership funnel or a webinar funnel, I still think that ClickFunnels is the way to go when it comes to this debate here between ClickFunnels and Unbounce. Of course, you can pay annually as well, but you would have to pay all of that upfront at $79 per month with Unbounce. If you wanted to have more landing pages, more pop-ups, it would cost more at $199, and then it goes up from there. All right, guys, that does it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to like this video if you like this comparison of Unbounce and ClickFunnels. And by the way, because I'm a supporter of ClickFunnels, I use it every day for my business. I'm going to be providing a link below this video that gives you access to ClickFunnels for a full 14 days. And additionally, you're getting a free course just for signing up through my link. And this is my ClickFunnels for Beginners course. And it's only given to people who have signed up via this link. The course basically takes you by the hand and explains each and every feature, how to use it, how to create good sales funnels or any type of funnel on ClickFunnels, how to use the page builder, how to use the page steps, the funnel settings, everything you need to know to get started and to eventually master using ClickFunnels for your business. And also in the course, there's 3 funnels that are already done for you. One is a lead generation funnel that I used for a local client using AdWords traffic. The second one is a traditional sales funnel that I used for a client as well. That was mainly from email marketing traffic. And then the third one is specifically for a pop-up. So a client wanted a pop-up on their website that would lead them to a funnel. And that funnel was a 2-step order form sales funnel. So you'll get access to my ClickFunnels for Beginners course and those 3 funnels just for clicking the link below and signing up for ClickFunnels. How do you make sure you get those bonuses? Well, my friend, I'll tell you this. Make sure to click on the link below. It's a landing page. There will be instructions on that page on how to get those bonuses along with your free trial. Anyways, that's it for me today. I will talk to you guys in the next video.